If you think freelancing is all about sitting on a beach, sipping a cup of coffee while your laptop magically fills in your bank account, I hate to say it, but you're wrong. In this video, we are going to talk about the reality of freelancing, the challenges, and how I managed to become a top-rated freelancer and earn plus $20,000 on Upwork. And the best part, I'm going to tell you how you can do it as well. So without wasting the time, let's get started. When I started freelancing back in 2020, I had my share of misconceptions about freelancing as well. But let me tell you something honestly. Freelancing is not like a walk in the park. It's more like a roller coaster ride. There is the thrill of getting a new project, the rush of meeting deadlines, and also the uncertainty of when the next project would come. And rejection? It's definitely a part of the game. You need to have the patience of a saint and the discipline of a soldier. And guess what? You are the CEO, the manager, the accountant, the marketer, all fit into one. But here's the thing, despite all the challenges that freelancing has, I made it. And if I can do it, you can too. My journey wasn't easy, but it was definitely worth it. Every rejection, every late night, every challenging client that I had shaped me into the successful freelancer that I am today. And the best part of it, I get to be my own boss, work on projects that I love, and yes, sometimes work from the beach. So how can you navigate this roller coaster ride and come out on top? Here are my 5 top tips for becoming a successful freelancer on Upwork in 2023. Find a niche that you're good at and stick to it. Clients on Upwork prefer specialists and not generalists. For example, instead of marketing yourself as a web designer, you can market yourself as an expert e-commerce web designer. This not only makes you attractive to specific clients, but also reduces the competition on the platform for you. We always say the first impressions matter, right? Your profile on Upwork is your storefront, is your first impression. So make it count. Use a professional photo, write an engaging headline, and in your description, tell a story. Why should clients hire you? What unique value do you bring to their project? How can you help them to achieve their goals and meet their requirements? Finally, don't forget to showcase your best work in your portfolio. Next, Upwork proposals is one of the most important aspects of becoming a successful freelancer on Upwork. Once you are writing a proposal on Upwork, make sure to show the client that you've read the job description carefully and you can help them to achieve their goals. Avoid generic proposals, templates, copy-pasting, or using artificial intelligence such as ChatGPT to write proposals for you. You need to write customized and tailor-made proposals for each and every single project that you're sending for. Remember that the proposal isn't about you, it's about the client and their project. Use the client's first name in your proposals, write engaging introductions, include samples of your previous projects, and at the end of your proposals include a CTA mentioning that you are available to discuss the project further during a Zoom call with the client, which showcases your interest into the project and also makes the process of hiring you very much easier for the client. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Know your worth and don't settle for less. It's better for you to work on fewer projects that pay well instead of working for projects that pay peanuts. If you provide high quality work on Upwork, clients will be willing to pay higher for your work. And remember, negotiating is a two-way street, so be respectful and professional. And the last tip of today is never stop learning. The freelance market is constantly evolving. Keep up with the latest trends, learn new tools, and refine your skills. Consider investing in online courses or certifications. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. So there you have it, folks, the reality of freelancing and how to become a successful freelancer on Upwork in 2023. It's not always easy, but with a bit of dedication, effort, and strategy, you can make it. And remember, every challenge is an opportunity. So go out there, face those challenges, and turn them into your success story. Remember, if I did it, you can too. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more freelancing videos, tips, tricks, guides, interviews with successful freelancers to help you find out your path and also become a successful freelancer on Upwork in 2023. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time, happy freelancing.